Yeah, one thing about it, it's gonna rain. Let me make a proper introduction. Cause I'll be getting to put these in my videos and stuff. Alright, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to film while it was raining. But everything in here is one for a fact legal. But for but everything is CGI and it's fake and all that stuff. And I really don't support underage smoking. I don't. I'm against kids trying to be grown. But mm, I forgot what else I was going to say in my introduction, but I talked to my um I talked to them, so everything is already on there. Yeah, blending it in with my blanket. Yeah, I love this vibe right now. It's been raining lately. I gotta edit these videos, put them up. I'm good for it on the pens and vapes. Now, I'm about to just start buying other products that I want to try and that I want y'all to see. I'm gonna take on my head, and then I'm gonna go. This was just like a mini stash since I was already fucked up. I'm not gonna lie, this tastes burnt. Like, it tastes like a burnt vape. The Mango Universe one was the only one I liked, so I think I think I'm gonna just get that one regardless. But yeah, I gave it 420. Alright, y'all. I see.